Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have studied till inserting action button. Inserting action button. Okay. Now, in this video, we will learn about working with sound. Now, PowerPoint is a presentation you all know, and you have already created. You have already learned in the previous classes, and in the previous classes, class 4th, class 5th, that how to make a PowerPoint. Okay. Now in this we are learning some advanced feature of PowerPoint. So working with sound, inserting sound, editing sound is also one of the feature that we can use in PowerPoint. Okay. PowerPoint permits you to add audio files to your presentation. This audio files can play surround music when object or slide emerge on the screen. Okay, to add sound in a presentation, follow the steps are given. Okay, so we will study about the steps, but this sound that we add, it will play when we run the slideshow. Okay, so it is we can say it is background sound that that will play after some action. Okay, the steps are here, steps are given. Okay, first step is click on insert tab. You have to go to insert tab. You can see insert tab, and after insert tab you have to go to the at the end of this ribbon there is audio option. You can see the icon of sound speaker. Okay, you have to click here. As you click here, you will get the option to take the file from what option you will get. You will get two options there: audio from file or clip art audio. Okay, there are two type of audio available there. You need to select any one from this. Okay, so you have to click on audio clip or file. As you click on audio clip from file, you will get this box open, dialog box, and from here you can select the audio file. Okay, audio file obviously you will get in from the music. Okay, from library or document music. So from here you can get the music, number of music that your system have. Click on that and click on insert button of this box. So as you click on insert, you will get this icon. You can see in this icon. This icon shows the sound or audio has been installed in this page. Okay, in this slide. Now the audio icon this appear on the slide to show that an audio is a part of the slide. The time to start the audio clip during the slideshow is defined in the setting under the audio. Now from here you can set the setting. I just zooming here, starting, ending point. Okay, now from here you can set the level of the sound, low, medium, high or highest, whatever it is. Okay, from here you can set the sound will play when you do mouse click or automatically play. From here you can change. Okay, if you want it to be automatically play. Okay, now this is what hide during slideshow. It will hide when the slideshow will run. So you can use this also. Okay, when you take it, the icon will hide automatically, and but it will play. Okay, understand? So these are the options for the setting you can apply. Okay, and here playback is a tab under which you will get this ribbon for editing. Okay, so this is about the inserting